Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkoz channel. In today's video, I will show you how to convert your video files into audio MP3 tracks. And now let's get started. First, open your internet browser and search for VLC Media Player. Navigate to the official website, which is videoland.org, and click on the download link to begin the download process. For Windows users, you can also find VLC Media Player on the Microsoft Store. Once the download is complete, open the executable file and follow the on-screen prompts to install the application on your system. After installing VLC Media Player, open your Start menu and launch VLC Media Player. In the top left corner, click on the Media menu, and then select Convert and Save. Click the Add button, and locate the video file you wish to convert to audio. Double-click the video file to import it into the player. With your video imported, click on the Convert and Save button. In the Profile drop-down menu, select the desired output format. To convert to an audio file, choose Audio MP3. Next, click on Browse to select the location on your computer where you want to save the converted audio file. You can also provide a name for your new audio file before clicking Save. Finally, click the Start button. After a few moments, your video will be converted into an audio file. You can then navigate to the folder where you save the audio file to find your newly created MP3 track. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.